sayawan dyan? Wala po ba palakpakan dyan? Wala po ba pwedeng tuwain dyan? Tonight is a beautiful celebration of diversity, femininity, and inclusivity. And for us, the LGBT community, this event will forever to approve that we will always be part of what you call society. Na yung baga natin taga-kayuanin ako, or should I say, good evening to each and everyone. This time in front of you, I am Rihanna Kate Mendy, 17 years old, fresh, virgin, municipality of the Pinoy Barangay San Nicolas, province of Isabela, na nag-iwan ng isang katagang pagmahal, pinabalikan. Pero pag-utang, kinakalimutan. And I just want to remind my beloved churches that I am kindly number 2, Mabuhay Barangay Carmen Sita. Super Latina, Super Buceta, Jefferson Lucero, Viking from Barangay Anik!
Good. Anik.
Become what you are, to become capable of what you becoming is a secret of happy life. Where every living soul has its own talent, perseverance, and will. So never be afraid, just be yourself. Mabuhay and good evening, Barangay Kaminsipan. Tonight is a battle of homosexuality. Men and women work together and that's a protest. Tonight, I compete for one title and I hope I could be. Standing in front of you is a fresh virgin, a 20-year-old scholar studying at Isabel State University Copagan campus, taking a Bachelor of Physical Education. This is Robin Ramiro Pintutan, representing